kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua na ririte NKIAMA ithurano na MIANKA IEBC onde kithurano kinini kia olkalao kirigiri kuthithika kiumia twitite akere Gachagua nonekete kwaga WIITRIKIO kiri kamiti ya kithurano akiuga ni gukarata ke kwendera thirikari nongerete na kwa kamiti ni remine ngugi yao bwega bagitegera kinya ithurano biao mbere bia Malava na kinya mbere North Phineas Imana na thuranirite report ije.
Mutongeria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua na ririte kithurano kinini kia olkalao na aronekete kumeneria bukatha kiama ya ithurano na MIANKA IEBC. Akiaria Gachagua auwete kinya kwina njama ya gutiiria kithurano ki akiwa thirikari nirikite wiko kwa bochamba wa DCP Nteriu.
That's why police officers are there in plain clothes. They want to cause violence, they want to cause mayhem. And then if the con on Monday can postpone the by-election. I want to tell the IEBC, if you postpone this by-election, you have lost credibility completely. You will never recover. And you will have no more authority to tell the people of Kenya that they can trust you to conduct the general election.
Oriu naritete mukana na kwa IEBC eke ya kulwana ya TIHURANO kithurano kiu bobo KATHIRA WIITRIKIO kiria Kenya na batithira ni ndi bagitika kia IEBC no ithia na mbere kithurano kia 2027.
That you cannot deal with the rogue ministers and PSs in one constituency. How can you come and tell us that you can manage a general election if already you are developing cold feet? But they are not developing cold feet. They have been told to postpone Olkalao. And for William Ruto, let me also tell you.
Gachagua nonanitie kinyo chamba bwa DCP ko kigiti kiu akiwa ti onto bunene kiribo na nekyo nonto batirite Senator Methu Nteriu ethira gitithakia na mbere campaign
for peaceful by-election in Olkalao. The Olkalao by-election for DCP is a local affair. We have left it to Senator Methu and Kûmûrîka and the local people to do their politics. And I want to tell my brother Irungu Kangata, I heard him saying that he wants to come with the Damonanchi to Olkalao. We don't need you there for DCP unless you are coming to campaign for another party.
Rigathi Gachagua akiwa kinya thirikari ni kwitia na njira ya utuma minister mwanya na kinya atongeria bangi ntere Olkalao kenda kubaringira thirikari UDA yomba kuyukia giti kiu.
Those people you are giving money to campaign on Olkalao want this election postponed because they want more money from you. They are saying if this election is over, they are not likely to get any more money from you. So they are also causing problems in Olkalao, Akina Kionjore and others, like in the town. Because they are saying you have been giving them too much money. 15 million shillings every day.
Ndeburo ni wetera na kona kithira IEBC o mai kithira itira kia kithurano kiu kana kithira kigita na mbere kiumia twitite na tumenye no nchamba ati UDA na DCP.
And also Olkalao is a good opportunity for many fellows who have run away from their homes on escapades. Wanasema tumeenda Kalao, wamechukua magafre, wameenda kuishi huko.
Phineas Imana Ndeto Cheweru.